Hi everyone, this is going to be a very quick demo of using the CG50 to do some combination type calculations and perhaps a few factorials as well. Let's start with, let's go something like, oh goodness, why is that red? Let's fix that. Red's a bit angry. So 2 factorial, we all know that that's 2 multiplied by 1, which of course equals 2. Now you never need a calculator to do that one, but let's just use that as a little example of how we would find this. So we need to be in the Run Matrix app here at the top. Oh, I've got some previous work there. Let's just make that all go away so it's nice clean. Now, you won't find a key anywhere on the calculator with the exclamation point, the factorial function. So it's inside the options. This options key is a gateway to so much. Now it's not under matrices or complex numbers or calculus or stats. So we move across here and we find probability. It's probably in there. That's a nice little maths joke. So there it is, X exclamation. So I'll put 2 and then I'll press F1 and then, yay, we got it right. 2 factorial is 2. Now, while we're here, let's just have a quick chat for a moment about 0 factorial. Now, if you watched my last video, you would know that 0 factorial equals 1. It's not necessarily the most obvious result, but there are very good reasons for that. I encourage you to watch the other video. Let's just check if the CG50 knows maths as well as we do. Yay, it worked as well. 0 factorial is 1. So that's handy. Now on to combinations. If I had my formula, say NCR, so I have n objects in a group and I'm selecting a subset of R of them. R obviously has to be equal or less than n. That's pretty important to note. R must be equal or less than n. Now, our formula was n factorial over n minus r factorial by r factorial. Hooray. Let's do some examples. What if I went 5C2? Well, I can go straight to the calculator. 5 and then F3 key here. 2. It's 10. Lovely. NC5C2 is 10. Now, of course, we probably should think for ourselves, not just trust a calculator. Rule would be 5 take 2 factorial over 2 factorial. 5 factorial over, well, 5 take 2 is 3 factorial by 2 factorial. I'm going to write 5 factorial as 5 by 4, and instead of 3 by 2 by 1, that's 3 factorial. And I still have 3 factorial, and I'll put 2 factorial as 2 by 1. Cancel the common factor there, and look, 5 times 4 is 20, over 2 is 10. Isn't that lovely? That calculator got it right. Now, that's probably enough from me. You don't want me rabbiting on about this. You can do this for yourself. Just a quick little one again from the outset. It is options key, then F6 to move for more options, then F3 for probability, and there they are. Factorial key, combinations key, and there's this other weird one in the middle which we might talk about another day, not now. All right, thanks for that. I will see you in the next video.